installation guide. This is the IRP005 model. So yeah, good instructions. They say it will take about 20 minutes to install on Toyota or Nissan Patrol. Some 17 to 19 millimeter sockets. Torque wrench recommended. So yeah, some of them, these larger 14 millimeter go, or M14 I guess, go into the factory captive nuts that are in the chassis, and then these are used, these smaller ones are used with these little guys. So, but just talking about initial sort of impressions on quality, I mean, they are, I believe this is powder coating, red powder coating, which is kind of cool. I mean, my truck doesn't have any other red on it, but I mean, it seems really good quality. I mean, these are heavy duty, look like they are well coated, so I anticipate not a lot of rust. And it has little instructions, I guess, if somebody didn't know what they were doing. It says to use rated shackles with a max of 4 3/4 ton. It is recommended to do a 4x4 recovery course before use. And these are 5,000 kilogram rated. 5,000 kilograms is over 11,000 pounds. These are rated to over 11,000 pounds. I think that's enough. And we'll get this going. We've got this hook here. So that's gonna come off. And this is gonna come off. Okay, so I think some of this hardware doesn't fit with the Land Cruiser or the Lexus. These two holes line up. I think this hardware is for one of the other applications. So that makes sense. Looking at the instructions for the Land Cruiser, it only shows 2 bolts. It does show using this thing, but I think maybe that's specifically for maybe the 80 series or the Nissan Patrol, because I don't need this. I've got captive chassis nuts already there, which is what the factory recovery points were connected to, and these 2 holes line up, you know, perfectly with those 2 holes. I think that's it. Was not clear, but if you look at the difference between the factory and the aftermarket, that's serious. Anyway, I think that's the deal. So go ahead and put this on. You want to put the lock nut, the crush washer, on first, and then flat washer, and that will help lock the bolt down and keep it from loosening up. And so we're going to line up this one. So it doesn't say anything about how tight to torque. How about 90? What do you guys think? Put it in the comments. Ouch. Watch your fingers. That's 90. That's 90. Torque to 90. All their glory. Definitely more beefy. Don't forget, you need your recovery points, and you need to subscribe and like and follow and all the things that the algorithm gods ask. Do it now. Do it.